Hello friends, in my last video you saw me getting Croma earbuds instead of buying Apple AirPods.
See, this is Croma AirPods and this is Apple AirPods. Which one I will choose, this or this? For the review I will take this because on the internet I have not seen any review of it.
If you have not seen that video, you can see it by clicking the info button on top right corner. I'm also leaving a link in the description as well. Guys, Croma earbuds not even lasted for a year. Actually, the left earbud stopped working after a drop from a height of probably just 2 feet. I rushed to Croma to get the replacement done.
Let's go!
And there, the executives informed me that the model has been discontinued and I can choose any other earbuds instead.
It's payback time.
I tried several earbuds including JBL, Sony, but I didn't like the sound of any, and therefore I had no other option to buy the best and the latest Apple AirPods.
Let's unbox. At one side, information about compatibility, model and serial number is written. This is Airpods Pro 2nd generation that supports wireless charging. Another side, manufacturing details, contents and MRP is mentioned. To open the box, you have to tear the stripes from top and bottom. This is the user manual. These are the safety instructions. These are the regulatory compliance information. And these are the warranty information. It comes with 1 year limited warranty, but I extended it for 2 years by paying 2,900 extra, which will cover any damage whatsoever. This is the plastic protection cover. And this button is for pairing. This space is to put a lanyard and keep your AirPods attached, maybe with your bag or pant. These holes looks like speakers. These are the magical earbuds. The case holds the earbud so tight that it won't fall easily. And what are these? Okay, these are called ear tips to match your ear size. Extra small, small and large. I think medium is already attached with the earbuds. It comes with USB-C to Lightning cable for charging. Let's see how it gets paired with my iPhone. Under the settings, we can further customize this AirPods. Here we can set transparency and noise cancellation. Functionality of left and right AirPods, ear tip fit test, call controls, adaptive transparency, which automatically reduces loud sound if we are wearing both the AirPods. Automatic ear detection, connect to this iPhone automatically, personalized spatial audio, and many other settings in accessibility mode. Guys, I have tried this active noise cancellation and the transparency mode. These are so awesome features. I really cannot believe it. I also purchased this minion AirPod cover. Isn't these cute? Tell me with your comments, and if you guys want to buy this, I'm leaving a link of the product in the description.
So guys, always try to buy the best product, even if it hurts your pocket a little. After this incident, I remember a proverb that if you will buy a cheap product, you will be crying every day. And if you will buy an expensive product, you will cry only one time. That is the time when you will buy it. So, decision is yours. Shop wisely and enjoy. Peace.